Greetings, folks! Today was yet another experiment day. Not too long ago we had gotten a comment from Mark Feldman who told us that at one point he couldn't find shaving cream to shave with, so he had tried using hair conditioner. We figured we'd give it a shot, so I have this Pantene Smooth and Sleek hair conditioner. We're going to give it a shot trying to shave with that today. Let's see how it works out. Our choice of razor for today will be this beautiful HMC Cutlery straight razor manufactured in New Bedford, Massachusetts in 1929. In fairness to the hair conditioner, I always use a pre-shave, so I'm going to use a pre-shave today, and I'm actually going to try using the hair conditioner as a pre-shave, because what's better as a pre-shave than a hair conditioner? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, it feels very slick. That's a good sign right off the bat. Now I'm going to let this soak in for like 5 minutes, which is about the time I normally use to strop my razor and get that ready. Alright, I wasn't quite sure how I was going to try and apply this, but I think what I'm going to do is I soak my brush over here. I think I'm going to put it in my shaving bowl and work it up. It's not going to lather. I don't think it's going to lather. Oh my gosh, it's lathering. Wow, it lathered. It lathered up pretty much like a shaving soap. Look at that. Interesting. Alright. Now I am going to apply it. Look at that, it looks just like shaving cream. All over the shirt. Wow, I have high hopes for this. Alright, to the razor. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Wow, it works just like shaving cream. And I'm going to go out on a limb and say that's working better than a lot of shaving creams I have tried. It's just so slick. It's got a built-in glide factor going on. right, that's the first pass. I gotta say that worked pretty darn well. All right, second pass. I gotta say again that I have regular shaving creams that work worse than this. I have shaving creams that work better than this, namely the Taylor of Old Bond Street, but I do have creams that work worse than this. Touch up. Wow, I really didn't expect that to work that well, but it did. You can go ahead and use hair conditioner as a shaving cream. Now I should caveat that by saying that this particular hair conditioner, this Pantene Smooth and Sleek, worked very well, but all hair conditioners may not be created equal. Thanks very much for the tip, Mark, and we will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.